Hey guys, it's Natalie, and I know it's been a very long time since I posted here on YouTube, but there was a really good reason for my almost 3-year, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's been that long, hiatus. And you guys were well deserved of an update. So we moved across 3 states, leaving my home of Long Island, New York, but we found ourselves a great home, and I'm currently sitting in my beautiful sunroom. But you know, as homeowners, we always like to turn our house into our home. And although our house was move-in ready, there were some things that I just had to address to turn it into our home. So just to let you guys in on, well, not so much a secret, but other than crafting that it will always be close and dear to my heart, I am a renovator. Yes, I'm a renovator. I'm a furniture flipper and a woodworker. I'm not the greatest woodworker, but I am learning as I go, and I feel if you have a passion for something, you tend to get better and better with every project that you do. I've renovated the one of the must-haves, which was the craft room, so I turned our formal living room into my craft room. Loving that. Also renovated our downstairs gym. And the shop. I built all of the shop furniture. And our 2-tier deck, which was a huge project that took me a year to complete. Of course, I did have help. My significant other pitched in and helped me along with the kids, but it was quite the job. But with all that said, it was definitely worth the effort. The one downside about moving here is that I had to leave my son, my adult son, behind that has the diabetes. But after a year of being here, I twisted his arm and convinced him to move here. The cool thing about that was I was able to go on Facebook Marketplace and flip all of the furniture that is currently in his place today. So I will be posting my progress because I was able to record the majority of it. I know it's not the normal content that I have here on YouTube, but I would like to share with you what I've been doing for the past 3 years. And I really hope that you guys will stick with me on this journey and see why it was so worth being off of YouTube for as long as I was. So again, I want to say thank you. Thank you for watching the content that I have here on YouTube. Thanks for reaching out, for your support. You guys have been great. And of course, please leave your comments. Maybe I'll do a Q&A. Leave your comments and I'll be more than happy to answer you all. I'll be posting some stuff relatively soon. Less than 3 years, very soon. And as always, guys, I love you. I love you so much. Mwah, and God bless.